How to take a screenshot on the Snapchat without knowing the other person. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the Snapchat. And after that, when you are ready to take a screenshot, you have to go into your Snapchat and click on the chat section. Now here you have to drop down your menu, and from here you have to turn on your airplane mode in your device. Now this will prevent the Snapchat from sending a notification to the other person. Next you have to open the Snapchat message that you want to take a screenshot. Once it is open, you have to take the screenshot like you normally take in your phone, and once you captured it, you have to go back, and from here you have to click on the settings icon and you have to log out from your Snapchat account. But you have to make sure that you log out from your Snapchat account before turning off the airplane mode. And after that, you are successfully able to take a screenshot on the Snapchat without knowing the other person. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.